DJH, we've had this lovely Range Rover Sport, a 3-litre TD V6 Autobiography coming to stock. It's the top of the range with the HST body styling kit and a host of other extras. You can see it's got the HST front there, front park distance control, it's got the diamond cut upgraded alloy wheels. It's finished in an absolutely deep metallic pearl. I think that's just showing it off there. Brand new side steps, got the HST body styling on the back with the twin exhaust, the rear park distance control, the Autobiography badge. Really is in stunning condition. It's had the important cam belts changed on it too. Got the twin opening hatchback. It's got the contrasting Autobiography limited edition leather interior, absolutely stunning. Logs at the back there, electric memory seats, Harman Kardon, will have heated seats as well, centre armrests. It's only done 511 miles. It's got the paddle shift on the gearbox. It's got your different ways of driving it and ride height. It's got a TV. It's got full satellite navigation. Climate control's blown absolutely freezing cold. 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, 4x4 information view, video, cruise control, automatic headlights, it's fully loaded and has a fridge. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.